Here we have been given some questions. So find the area of these figures. These are the figures. We have to find the area by counting the squares. I have drawn some rough figures. You can consult your books to see the actual figures and actual squares. So if you see the triangle in your book, A part, I see number of complete square 12, and more than half I have counted 5, and half covered I counted 4. Look here, in such type of figures there may be some fluctuation in your answers, as sometime I see the square as more than half, you count it as a half. I see a half square, you see a more than half of it. I see incomplete square, you count it as complete. So sometimes the fluctuation remains over here, which we will not consider. So complete squares plus more than half squares and half covered square, half into half covered. More than half is also taken as a complete one, okay, because less than half is not counted over here. So more than half, so complete square 12, more than half 5, and half covered half into 4. So 12 plus 5 plus 2, 19 square units area of figure 1. In the same way, if we take figure B again, so consult your books for the figures I tell you again, okay. Number of complete square I counted 29. More than half covered I counted 3, and half covered I counted 6. So here complete squares plus more than half and half covered, half into half covered. So it will be 29 plus 3 plus 3 and 35 square units. Same way in C part we see number of complete square I counted 43. More than half I counted 5, and half covered 3. So complete squares plus more than half covered plus half covered, half into half covered. So we get the answer 43 plus 5 plus 1. Half into 3 is 1.5. So it will be 49.5 square units. Okay. Then what we are having? D, E and F part. So here in D part, number of complete squares are 12, and number of more than half covered is not existing, and half covered is 2. So complete square 12 plus half covered, half into 2. So 12 plus 1, 13 square units area of this D, figure D. Then we are having figure E. Number of complete squares 20. More than half covered not available, half covered are not here. So total area is 20 square units. In the same way F part, number of complete squares 7, more than half covered 8, and half covered 5. So square complete squares plus more than half 8 plus half covered, half into 5. So total area is 17.5 square units. Okay. There may be some 0.5 or 1 unit fluctuation in your answers. So count the squares carefully. Question number 2. A tabletop measures 3 meter by 2 meter 60 centimeter. What is its area in square centimeter? So 3 meter equal to 300 centimeters and 2 meter 60 centimeter equal to 260 centimeters. So area length into breadth. So 300 into 260 we will get 78,000 square units. Okay, square centimeter. Okay. Then we are having question number 3. The area of a rectangular garden is 45 meter long, is 900 square meter. Means length is 45 meter and its area is 900 square meter. We have to find the breadth. So area is given 900 square meters and length is 45 meter. So breadth, for breadth we will take the formula area upon length. if you have to find the breadth of a rectangular figure, it will be area upon length. So 900 divided by 45 and we get 20 meters. Okay.